Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have another wig review for you guys. Today's wig review is going to be on a braided wig. I have not featured a braided wig on my channel in over 2 years. I forgot what, I think it was by Zuri, and it looked pretty good, but overall I tend to stay away from braided wigs because I've seen some really bad ones. So I've stayed away from them, and a lot of times, like with the ones that I tried like 2.5 years ago, they were very limited as far as versatility because it would just be like lace in the front and you couldn't do versatile styles because it was like just a little bit of lace in the front of the hairline. So, but around Halloween, or exactly on Halloween, I was on Instagram and I saw Pepper Potts 1984, and she also has a YouTube as well, and I believe it's pronounced Key Rashawn, and she posted these beautiful pictures of her with braids, and I was wondering, like, first of all, the braids look really pretty and neat and natural. So I think like a week prior or a couple days prior to her post on Halloween, she posted a selfie with those same braids, and I was wondering, like, is it a wig or what was it? And she said that it was a wig. So I watched her review and I was like, oh my gosh, these braids look so natural. I want to try a braided wig again. That same day, after watching countless videos, I decided to purchase one of their wigs. So I'll tell you guys, I can't pronounce the name of the particular wig that I got, but I'll put it on the screen. And this wig was, with all the specs that I got, $187.18, but shipping, which was via DHL, was $34.66, and then there was a PayPal charge, and then the final total is $232.93. So this company is based out of Nigeria, and a lot of like braided wig companies are. So I couldn't just purchase it on the site like I would with my PayPal account and everything. I had to first order the wig and then get the total amount, and then just transfer the money to a specific PayPal email. So it wasn't that hard to do. I placed my order on November 1st, then it got to my house on November 8th or 9th, which is really not bad at all. I thought it was going to take like at least like 2 or 3 weeks, but it didn't take that long at all. It came in this DHL package. Inside you have the plastic bag. They sent like lashes and I think like a highlighter, but the highlighter is like beat up, so I haven't even looked at that. So here is the actual wig here. So you get lace all the way around, like all in the cap is lace, and I'll show you more once I put it on my head. And I decided to get baby hairs on my wig, and I got full baby hairs. So I wanted to get full just in case. You can always like take away baby hairs, but you can't add them. So I wanted to make sure I got full density on that. So this is constructed like a 360 wig. On the inside, I requested elastic. You can get a comb if you want, or yeah, you can get a comb if you want. That's one of the options on their website. And then you do get adjustable straps as well. So I'm gonna go put on a wig cap and then style this on camera for you guys. So I took out that braid that held back the baby hairs because I could barely get it on my head. So I'm gonna try again. All right, so this is what it looks like just plopped on my head. And this is what like the parting space and everything looks like. I have on like a medium brown cap. So this is what the parting space looks like in the back. I'll turn around so you guys can see. Ordered waist length for me, so it's at my waist. My belly button is right here, and then this is where the hair falls on me. And I'll insert a picture of me taking it in a floor length mirror so you guys can see it better. So I am gonna cut the lace and then gel the baby hairs down and everything, and I'll be back. Alright guys, so I have finished getting the hairline together with this wig, so I'm going to give you guys my thoughts on this wig. So $232, that is a lot, but I feel like it is an investment. For somebody like me, I do wig reviews and hair videos for a living. So wearing braids for like 2 or 3 months straight is not gonna work for me, because that's gonna take away from income and all that stuff. So that's why I got it. For some people, maybe they just did the big chop and they don't have enough hair to grasp for braids or whatever. So this will be a good option for them. Maybe you suffer from hair loss or a medical condition where you can't get your hair braided. So a braided wig is a good option for them. So there are reasons why people would prefer to have a braided wig versus sitting hours and getting their hair braided. Time is another thing. Like, I used to get my hair braided every 3 months for like several years. So I know what it's like to, you know, sit in a chair for like 9 hours getting braids. So back in the day when I used to get micro braids and stuff, my mom would pay like $200, or sometimes I would pay $200 every like 3 months, and that's expensive. So $200 for a wig that's gonna last for years, because you don't have to take it out. You can just, you know, put it on. So I feel like this is an investment. We do have brands like, you know, Sensational and all these other brands have braided wigs that just came out, and some of them actually look really good, and I'm probably gonna try some in the future. But I feel like this is a higher quality, and you do have more versatility with a full lace braided wig. With certain synthetic wig companies, some of their braided wigs aren't all the way braided in the back, and sometimes they have filler hairs and all that kind of stuff. So I feel like this is a higher quality braided wig, as it should be, because it costs, you know, $200. So with this wig, I feel like these are medium-sized braids. For some people might be on the thin side, but I actually like the way this standard density looks. I know a lot of people are concerned about how heavy braided wigs are, but this one right here is actually very lightweight. The ends on this wig are tapered, and they are, yeah, the ends on this wig are tapered. Some of them are braided and some of them are twisted towards the end. So I think that looks very, very nice. Only have a few cons for this wig. The lace on this wig was too dark for my skin tone, but that was fine. All I had to do was add my pressed powder, and it does look a lot more natural, and the knots were not bleached. So if you don't put powder and stuff in your parting space, you'll see those little dots. So I would recommend using powder to make your knots look like they're bleached. And that's about it as far as cons go. Otherwise, the braids are very beautiful and neat. I think this wig is very, very beautiful, and I don't regret spending the $200 to get this wig, because I feel like it's great quality and it looks really good. Like, it looks very natural. I took some pictures on my phone before I came back to you guys, and I'm very impressed with how this looks. And I'm interested in trying other wigs like cornrow wigs, and I would love a faux lock wig and a goddess lock wig. Like, if you are interested in this particular wig that I have, I'll leave links to where I purchased mine in the description box. This company had a really nice website. The customer service was on point. If you guys enjoyed this video and you want to see more braided wigs in the future, let me know down below in the comment section. Subscribe if you haven't already, and share this video with your friends and family, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys. Hey y'all, so I'm gonna do like a quick little update. This is my second time wearing this wig, and it looks so beautiful and natural. There is like a learning curve with the baby hairs. You do have to kind of play around with them and trim them down and thin them out so they look the most natural. But these look so good and natural. So beautiful. I love this wig.